Alright guys, here is a quick video, and here I'll detail how to turn off mirror camera on iPhone. So if your iPhone mirror effect is turned on and now you want to disable it, then here is a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to turn off iPhone camera mirror effect is go ahead and open the settings app, and on the settings page you want to scroll down, locate and click on camera. Now once you click on camera, you want to locate mirror front camera here and make sure this is disabled if it is enabled. So if you enable this, go ahead and disable it. And once you disable the mirror front camera on the camera settings, then if you open the iPhone camera app on your phone, then the mirror effect will be disabled. So that is exactly how to disable or how to turn off mirror effect on iPhone camera. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.